Welcome to Tuesday, May 26th. If you take a walk down by Levee Park this morning, the Mississippi River is looking incredibly peaceful. But that early calm is a bit deceptive. We are heading toward a peak high of 89 degrees today, and by noon, you will probably be looking for some shade. The air is sitting still right now, but we will see a light 5-mile-per-hour breeze roll in from the southwest as the morning goes on. Because of that rising heat and still early air, your best bet is to knock out your errands and enjoy some patio time right now. Just remember to pack some water. You will also want to keep your afternoon schedule loose. After 2 o'clock, the atmosphere gets a little restless, bringing a 20% chance of isolated thunderstorms. This timeline chart tracks precipitation odds. The morning is completely dry, but watch the line climb tonight, hitting a 50% chance of showers before 2 a.m. Unless a localized storm parks over us, total rainfall stays under a tenth of an inch. It is the classic Minnesota in May setup. Keep a small umbrella in your car and be ready to pivot if your evening plans are outdoors. That kind of sudden atmospheric shift mirrors the history of the ground we are standing on. On this exact date in 1858, tension was building further down the Minnesota River Valley. A war party of roughly 150 to 200 Ojibwe warriors moved quietly into the territory near Shakopee. They were maneuvering to ambush a nearby Dakota group. The violence that broke out the next morning is recorded today as the Battle of Shakopee. This clash is a stark reminder of the deep, often painful Native history embedded in these river systems long before our modern towns were established. 6 years later, the scale of American expansion shifted from localized valley conflicts to massive territorial claims in the West. On May 26, 1864, President Abraham Lincoln sat down to sign a new Executive Enabling Act. This historic map outlines the direct result of that signature, formally carving out the borders of the newly organized Montana Territory. By laying that legal groundwork, Lincoln set the stage for Montana to enter the Union as the 41st state 25 years later. Eventually, even the continental map wasn't big enough. Fast forward to May 26, 1951, when Sally K. Ride was born in Los Angeles. She grew up to break the atmospheric boundary entirely, making history in 1983 as the first American woman to enter space. She achieved that milestone as a mission specialist flying aboard this vehicle, the Space Shuttle Challenger. Her life, beginning on this date, pushed the limits of human exploration straight into orbit. Coming back down to Earth, right here on the riverbed in Hastings, it feels like just another quiet Tuesday. But every ordinary day carries a bit of weight, balancing the 89-degree heat we are navigating this afternoon with the memories of valley battles and cosmic pioneers. So as you go about your day, keep an eye on those incoming afternoon clouds, stay flexible for midnight showers, and check National Weather Service alerts if you are traveling. Enjoy the warm morning, share this slice of history with a neighbor, and we will see you right here tomorrow.